Today, we're taking a look at two brand new references in the Moritz Grossmann Benu Power Reserve collection. Watches that combine German precision, Art Deco-inspired dials, and that unmistakable Glashütte soul. Moritz Grossmann was a close friend of Ferdinand Adolf Lang, the father of Glashütte watchmaking. Grossmann founded his own atelier back in 1854, and though the brand disappeared for a time, it was revived in 2008. Today, it stands for refined craftsmanship, understated elegance, and exceptional mechanics. The latest Benu Power Reserve models keep the same 41mm gold cases, but their dials have been completely reimagined. Inspired by vintage sector designs, the dial plays with textures and depth. You'll see a raised minute track, a chapter ring with fine azurite engraving, and a grained matte center. Applied blue Arabic numerals and a trapezoid-shaped power reserve indicator complete the picture, while the small seconds sits recessed at 6 o'clock. Of course, those famous in-house Grossmann hands are here too, this time slightly wider, beveled, tempered, and finished in a deep, rich blue. Turn it over, and you'll find the in-house caliber 100.2, a manual wind movement with a 42-hour power reserve. It features a 2/3 plate in German silver, Glashütte ribbing, and a beautifully hand-engraved balance cock. Classic Saxon watchmaking, through and through. The watch comes on a soft grey kudu leather strap with blue stitching and is available in both rose gold and white gold. Price: 53 300 €. The new Benu Power Reserve sector dials are a perfect example of Moritz Grossmann's philosophy: tradition, elegance, and modern refinement. What do you think? Stunning new classic, or just too understated for the price? Let me know in the comments below.